welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make sentences such as I love reading books. Okay, first, what we need to know about this is that in Turkish, if we want to make sentences like I love doing something, I love reading, I love writing, I love eating, I love sleeping, I love shopping, whatever, we have to use it reverse. Reading, I love. Sleeping, I love. Shopping, I love. Cooking, I love. So to make the first part, like reading, sleeping, eating, of this sentence, we are going to use the root of the verb, which is without mak, mek. Okay, so the infinitive form of the verb in Turkish is with the endings mak, mek, right? For example, okumak, yemek, yapmak, gitmek, etc. So we are going to use the root of the verb without mak, mek. And now we are going to add meyi or meyi. Okay? For example, çalışmak. We are going to take mak off. Okay? So it's çalış, that's the root of the verb, plus meyi. Okay? So it will be çalışmayı, right? Çalışmayı. For example, to sing in Turkish is şarkı söylemek. Şarkı söylemek. We are going to take off mek, okay? And we need the root of this verb, which is şarkı söyle. And we are going to put meyi in the end. So it will be şarkı söylemeyi, okay? So we have two verbs, two examples. Çalışmayı and şarkı söylemeyi. Okay? And now this is the first part. The second part is that we need to use the verb love, which in Turkish is sevmek. But we are going to use it in its present simple form. The present simple form of sevmek in Turkish is severim, seversin, sever, severiz, seversiniz, severler. Okay. Severim, I love. Seversin, you love. Sever, he or she loves. Severiz, we love. Seversiniz, you love, like plural, or also the polite version, the formal version. And severler, they love. Okay? So, one more time. If we want to say I love reading in Turkish, we have to make it reverse. Reading, I love. Reading in Turkish means okumayı. And I love is severim. Okumayı, reading, severim, I love. Okay? I'm going second person. Okumayı seversin. Third person. Okumayı sever. First person plural. Okumayı severiz. Third person plural. Okumayı seversiniz. And third person plural. Okumayı severler. Okay? So, we want to add books in this sentence. In English, it's I love reading books, right? Books comes in the end. But in Turkish, will be in the beginning. So, kitap means book. But so we are going to say kitap okumayı severim. We just put kitap in the beginning, okay? You can see that in this sentence we didn't use the personal pronoun because we don't need it. Why? Because severim has the ending im, which refers to first person singular. That's why we don't need ben, okay? It's the same rule for the other persons also, so we don't need to use the personal pronouns. Okay, and now if we want to make the negative form of this, we have to put sevmek in negative. Okay, so the negative form in present simple, in geniş zaman, for sevmek is sevmem, sevmezsin, sevmez, sevmeyiz, sevmezsiniz, sevmezler. Okay? Sevmem, I don't love. Sevmezsin, you don't love. Sevmez, he or she doesn't love. Sevmeyiz, we don't love. Sevmezsiniz, you don't love. Sevmezler, they don't love. Okay? The rule is the same. So, I don't love reading. Okumayı sevmem. Instead of severim, we are going to say sevmem. Okumayı sevmem. I don't love reading books. Kitap okumayı sevmem. Kitap okumayı sevmem. Okay? Second person singular would be okumayı sevmezsin. You don't love reading. Okumayı sevmez. He or she doesn't love reading. Okumayı sevmeyiz. We don't love reading. Okumayı sevmezsiniz. You don't love reading as plural or formal. And okumayı sevmezler. They don't love reading. Okay? To make a question, do you love reading? For example, we have to use the verb sevmek in question form. Okay? So, the question form in present simple, geniş zaman, from sevmek is sever miyim, sever misin, sever mi, sever miyiz, sever misiniz, severler mi. Okay? So, the question would be okumayı sever misin? Okumayı sever misin? Do you love reading? Kitap okumayı sever misiniz? Do you love reading books? Okay? Good. Now I'm going to ask you a couple of questions and I would like you to answer them in the comment section. Okay? First question. Müzik dinlemeyi sever misiniz? Müzik dinlemeyi sever misiniz? First. Yemek yapmayı sever misiniz? Yemek yapmayı sever misiniz? Second. Satranç oynamayı sever misiniz? Satranç oynamayı sever misiniz? Televizyon izlemeyi sever misiniz? Televizyon izlemeyi sever misiniz? Dans etmeyi sever misiniz? Dans etmeyi sever misiniz? Okay, these are the questions. And now I'm waiting for your answers. That's it for today. Thank you for your watching and hope to forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? See you next video. Görüşürüz. Bye bye.